This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Open the driver's side door and pull the hood release lever located by the kick panel. Pull the hood safety latch forward, then raise the hood. Loosen the cable clamp nut. Insert a flat blade screwdriver between the clamp ends to slightly expand the clamp, then disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Once the cable has been disconnected, secure the cable end away from the battery terminal. Loosen the positive cable clamp nut, then disconnect the positive cable from the terminal of the battery. Unscrew the bolt and remove the hold-down clamp from the bottom edge of the battery. Remove the battery insulator from the battery. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it is heavy. Using clean towels, clean the battery tray, making sure the battery will be set on a clean, smooth, and even surface. Make sure the cable ends are clean and capable of providing a good connection to the battery terminal. To ensure this, place towels below the cable ends and clean with a battery brush. Reinstall the battery into the battery tray. Install the battery hold-down clamp and tighten the clamp bolt securely. Install the insulator around the battery. Connect the positive battery cable to the positive terminal and tighten the cable nut securely. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable clamp nut securely. Close the hood.